Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you an easy way to backup and restore files in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, click on Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now go to Accounts. Scroll down. Here you will see an option Windows Backup. Click on it. From there, you can select Remember My Apps. Turn it on, and remember my preferences, also turn it on. It will backup your apps and backup your preferences, like you will see accessibility, account, Wi-Fi, network, personalization, language, or other Windows settings. Also you can click on manage and Synic settings. From there you can enable document, picture, desktop, music and videos. It will be backed up. Windows will save your backup to your Microsoft account. Restore your files when setting up a new PC or after reinstalling Windows. Sign in using your same Microsoft account to access all the backup files. And that's it. Windows will automatically restore your backed up setting and files. That's how easy it to backup and restore files in Windows 11. So if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.